How to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, as you can see from here. After that, tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on your profile section where there are options that can take you to different parts of the app. Next, scroll down to the Account and Settings section. Under this section, there are several options such as Personal, Linked Banks, Security and Privacy, Favorites, Family, Limits, and Notifications. From these options, tap on this one named Security and Privacy. This is the security and privacy page of the app where you can find important security features such as verifying your identity. As you can see, there is an error here where it is indicated as not verified. If you have this error, too, don't worry, I will show you how to solve it. Come back to the main settings page just like you can see here. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on this option here named Something Else. You will land on this page where you will find these settings such as Cash App Pay, Cash App Taxes, and Cash by Cash App. From the options here, tap on the topmost one. After that, you will land on this other page where you will find these different options such as how to use Cash App Pay, QR scanner troubleshooting, Cash App Pay fees, Cash App Pay offers, and Cash Jive on file. Scroll to the bottom and go to the support section. Under the section, there is this option named Chat. Kindly wait for the app to finish loading. Finally, you will land on this page where Cash App is telling you can chat on your schedule and they will notify you of new messages, and your history will always be available. Next, tap on the text field and type the following. Hi, I tried to verify my identity but was not able to. Kindly help me fix this issue because it is very important to me. Thanks. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity.